Welcome back to 8 Legs News. We've got the top 10 headlines you don't want to miss. Matthijs de Ligt's dramatic 96th minute header earned his team a 2-2 draw with Spurs, underscoring the weekend's trend of late goals. A devastating tornado in southern Brazil killed at least 6 people and injured hundreds, flattening much of Rio Bonito do Iguaçu and prompted 4 large-scale emergency and 11 were injured when a speeding car struck pedestrians during a police pursuit in Ybor City. As investigators examine a federal judge blocked the Trump administration's attempt to deploy the National Guard, ruling no legal grounds justify the move. President Donald Trump is pushing to have Washington's new $3.7 billion Commander Stadium named after him, a plan awaiting D.C. Council to view federal approval should its twin successful Olympics treated early-stage breast cancer and urged women to get checked promptly. With President Donald Trump ordered the Justice Department to investigate meatpacking giants over alleged collusion driving record beef prices linked to drought and industry conservation. James Watson, Nobel Prize-winning co-discoverer of DNA's double helix. The Dodgers has died at rally pitcher Alex Vesia marking the end of his